All right. Yeah. Crazy. I started this with but my name is Shannon Williams. I'm the OCPD coach, and I also go by Shannon the Game Dev. This is going to be a really quick video. I needed to do a check-in video. I haven't been doing my traditional live streaming schedule. I've switched things up, and honestly, I've been out of it. So I just tell you guys right at the front what's going on. Completely stopped taking Adderall about a month ago. Just cold turkey. Sounds so deep when you say it, but I will tell you guys that it has been an adjustment period for me. I have not found myself wanting to talk to anybody. I've really been boxing myself in. Time seems like it's moving faster, and mentally, it's a challenge for me. Every day is just a consistent struggle to figure out what I need to be prioritizing, if I'm prioritizing the right thing. And I think one of the biggest things that unfortunately has happened is since I stopped taking the Adderall, I know what I was capable of when I was taking the Adderall, and it eats at me because there are days like this, which is a Saturday, and a task that probably could have taken me about 2 hours has taken me 8 to 10 hours to do. And I'm not over exaggerating. I have been working since this morning. It's 7:50, and I'm still working on the same thing. It's not a difficult task. I know how simple it is because I'm just programming stuff I program all the time. I'm not really having to figure out new challenges with the system. It's more filling out data. So I'm having these lulls of time where I'm just losing. It's like I'm losing time. So let me stop saying so. That's my transition word. That's where I'm at. I have not wanted to stream. Uh every time I think about streams, I actually get, I don't want to say frustrated, but it's a better word. Bothered. I think that's a good word. Bothered. It's as if I have to do something that I don't really see a purpose in. And that is just me being 100% real with you guys. I'm not trying to sugarcoat the situation and make it seem like everything is the same since I stopped taking it. It's not. Now things are the same as they were before I took it. I do think I'm more refined now. So I do think I'm able to understand what I need in a specific time of my life. I'm able to pull out of things. So if I'm investing a lot of energy into something and it doesn't make sense, I'm doing better at pulling myself out and giving myself space to make sure I'm doing what makes the most sense. And I'm also doing good with restricting myself. So I have not my old ways. I have a bunch of ideas and I would be working on them right now. And I've actually done a great job not working on those ideas. Things I've struggled with consistency. I have not been the most consistent. When I get off work from my job, I'm hardly touching anything. It's just draining. I'm wanting to spend more time with my home family, so my wife and my son. So I'm more clingy in a way. That if that makes sense. Um, yeah, even this, like I said, time is just flying. I hadn't even realized it'd been so long since I made a video, but I'm not here to complain and cry. I just wanted to tell you guys where I'm at in case you're wondering why I haven't been posting, why I haven't been live streaming. That's really what it is. So shout out to my video editor who has been consistently releasing my videos and content and keeping that stuff going. That is really helpful. What I am doing right now, I'm it's 7:53 and I'm about to pack my laptop up and head upstairs to work because I just like working around family now, and especially in this time. What I'm working on right now, I'm trying to get Retro Game Store Simulator a demo or a play test for that going. I made a lot of changes to the game and I'm feeling really good about it. So I have been working on my project still. The other project is all time wrestling. So I've been having check-ins with the individual who I'm making that project for, and that game is coming along great as well. So I decided this Saturday, I decided to spend all of today working on all-time wrestling, and then tonight I'm going to finish up what I'm working on, and tomorrow I'm gonna spend time with my family and hopefully do some work for Retro Game Store Simulator so we can get that thing out and going. But that's where I'm at. That's where I'm at. I'm still using Azure. I just haven't been live streaming myself doing my Azure board and all that. But if that was something that you guys really did find value in, let me know. I just know I've been doing it for so long, and outside of keeping me consistent, it didn't seem like individuals were really getting direct value from it. So I pulled it for now. But if you come onto any of my channels and you say, hey, that was really helpful, I would love to see that again. I'll pull it out, no problem. We can get back to doing it. But I hope y'all have a great week. Again, this is the OCPD coach. I'm doing great. I'm doing well. Ignore how my face might look. I'm still figuring things out, but I'm great. I'm in a great mental space. I'm loving life, and I'm just dealing with my symptoms raw like I did for 20 something years of my life before I found out I had anything. So we're gonna keep on rolling. But y'all have a great one. Keep fighting for life, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.